All right, this is our Lone Star Grillz 24-inch by 36-inch horizontal offset pipe smoker. This smoker is made from all 1/4-inch new material. That's new 1/4-inch pipe, new plate. We don't use any recycled products, no used propane tanks, no used oil filled pipe, all grade A #1 new material. You can see our multifunction firebox. First and foremost, this is our firebox. Lift up the lid. We've got our griddle plate or hot plate, which season this like a cast iron skillet. You can cook directly on here. Saute vegetables. Use it like a flat top. You can set a pot of beans on here. Simmer your sauce. Let it cook all day at the same time that you're smoking. You can see that plate drops in, and then the flange seals that door while it's closed all the way around. Lift that up, and then here you've got our grill. So this firebox functions as a grill. That's why we call it multi-purpose, because we can use this for many different things, not just our heat source for our smoker. Open up the firebox here, and we can kind of see how this works a little bit. Got your grill grate up top. You've got a secondary set of rails here, which will allow you to bring the grill grate down closer to the fire, or allow you to bring the fire up closer to the grill if you're just grilling. Another thing about our fireboxes here is that included in all our offset smokers is this new 1/2-inch laser cut fire grate. Again, this is included in all our smokers now, or I'm sorry, our offset smokers, which this is going to get as close as we possibly can to a lifetime fire grate. You see your stainless steel damper control rod that screws on the outside of your damper control, allowing you to precisely control your air. Our stainless steel made in USA spring handles, these are made especially for us. Again, all 1/4-inch plate construction. We do offer upgrades on our firebox. You can find out more information about that on our website. Insulated fireboxes as well as thicker steel on our firebox. You got our heavy duty machine hinges, which are drilled out on the female side so you can keep those lubricated so you don't have any more seized up firebox hinges. These are our made in-house laser cut hinges for our horizontal doors. They've got internal locks so that we don't have to have those flanges on the top in the middle of the door. It also gives us a greater arc so that we can have a larger, wider flange, which means a better seal. And just to try and zoom in on that, across the top of that smoker, and then all the way around that door. Nobody making offset smokers makes a better metal on metal door seal than what we do. Our doors are sealed on all 4 sides. Again, 2-inch flange. You notice nice clean lines on the outside. More stainless handles. Our custom Tailed True made in USA temp gauge, which is now their instrument quality gauge and is recalibratable. And we open up the door to see the inside where we weld that flange all the way around, all 4 sides on the inside to lock in that smoke, lock in that heat, seal in that flavor. Not only that, but that's going to keep your pit and the temperature inside your pit from fluctuating while you're cooking. A door that does not seal properly is going to give you all kinds of problems maintaining your temperature, maintaining your consistent smoke. When that door seals, like our seal all the way around, that holds that temperature nice and steady. All of our grates are slide out and removable. So if you wanted to do a turkey, all you gotta do is remove that top grate. However, you'll see here, top to bottom, we have 5 1/4 inches of clearance on that top rack. and a full 18 inches of depth on the top rack. So if I wanted to, I could do a full-size brisket on the top rack of this pit. Included in all my 24-inch pits are these tuning plates. This is the temperature management system, or a baffle system, that allows for even temperature distribution from one side of the grate to the other. With these baffles, I can get the temperature differential from one side to the other within 5 to 10 degrees. 5 degrees on this smaller 36-inch pit is easily achievable. The nice thing about the plates, they're adjustable and they're removable. So I've got an infinite number of temperature combinations that I can achieve inside here by adjusting those plates. I can remove them and have as much as 100 degrees difference from one side to the other, easily put them back in and be cooking at the same temperature all the way across within seconds. Some of my competitors offer plates that have holes cut in them. Some of my competitors have plates that are welded in the bottom and are designed as a reverse flow. The problem with those designs is that they're fixed. They don't allow you any freedom of movement, no adjustability, whereas mine can be adjusted infinitely from one side to the other. You'll notice my stack is placed in the correct location for proper draw, even smoke and heat distribution at the center of the bottom grate. Some of my competitors will try and cut a corner. They'll put their stack up on the top, they'll put it on the top over here. That doesn't allow you to pull the smoke back down to that bottom grate, giving you that even temperature distribution. Even if your pit comes with tuning plates and that pipe is not in the right place, then you're not going to get an even temperature from one side to the other. We also have a 5-inch by 5-inch stack with plenty of height on it so that we've got a proper draw going through here, making sure that we have nice clean smoke going through this smoker, getting us the best possible results. Included is this 10-inch table. Now this table's welded in place, fixed. I do offer the option, as you see over here, for a folding table if you need a little extra room. And I also have the option to sheet the table in stainless steel. Those are both upgrades that you can easily do if you so desire. A 3-inch by 3-inch heavy duty CNC cut bottom frame with expanded metal on the bottom for plenty of storage, wood, charcoal, whatever it is that you need to store down there, and keep that out of the way. We have bolt-on wheels which allow you to replace them if needed. These are our 8-inch wheels. This is an upgrade. Our 8-inch wheels, and you can see next to it the 5-inch wheels. It comes with 2 fixed casters, 2 swivel casters. The swivel casters are going to have wheel locks. On the 8-inch wheels, I should say, they'll have wheel locks. On the standard 5-inch, which comes standard on the pits, there'll be a straight swivel wheel and a straight caster wheel. Both wheels have a 1,000-pound capacity per wheel and are wrapped into polyurethane to make it a non-marking wheel. All my pits are going to come with a gas assist port already plumbed in. That doesn't mean you have to use gas or you have to buy the accessory, but it's ready to go should you so desire. They also all come with a drain that has a cap on it. Here you can see the ball valve, which is an upgrade, making it easier to clean it out. All my pits have the ability to put water in the bottom of the pit. What that does for you, several things. It acts as the heated up water, I should say, acts as a large heat sink, helping maintain constant temperature. The water aids in making it easier to clean it out. Once all the fat and grease drips into the water, you flush out the water when you're done. The fat goes along with it. And then the increased humidity derived from the water will make a moist cooking environment, preventing your food from drying out while smoking. Nobody's attention to detail Their fit and finish even comes close to ours. You can see how tight that door fits. See how nice and clean those rounded corners are. Same thing over here. Second to none. The best part is, you stop by our store, we're able to show you side by side all the different models that we make as standard items, all the different options that are available on those pits, different fireboxes I have on display here. We have all the different options as far as wheels, tables, grates, everything that we sell on our site as options, we have all those here on display for you to take a look at. So again, this is our 24 by 36 offset pipe smoker. For more information, check us out at LoneStarGrills.com or give us a call, 936-344-6151.